What's up, guys? I know a few of y'all have been asking for an update on the truck. Finally got everything in to lower it, and it won't be exactly like lowered, but pretty much stock height lowered, just slightly taller with the bigger tires and the wheels. So factory Z71 struts. Got a killer deal on the on the set because it was the struts and rear shocks. I think I paid like $200 for all of it. And it was a factory takeoff, so just a few miles, probably just for delivery or whatever. They look brand new. Factory U-bolts. I do have the spacers, so it will be technically a 1-inch level because I wanted it pretty much as tight as possible with the bigger tires, or the tires that I'm putting on it, the 305 45 22s. So yeah, we got factory struts, rear shocks, stock U-bolts for a non-trebles. It'll be 1 inch as a lift in the front. So this is the Baja Kicks locking alignment cams, because I seem to go through alignments like no other, maybe from 4-wheel drive launching. Beltec drop shackles, because I'm afraid that it's going to I don't want it squatted, but I do want it level, if that makes sense. There's the tires, 305 45 22s from Lexani. Ran these on previous trucks. Surprisingly, they do very, very well. I've had them in foot of snow, ice, everything from New Mexico to West Virginia. I'm putting thousands and thousands of miles on these traveling. So there's the factory spare. Put 35s on it. It is a used 35, but yeah, that's coming off because I will no longer need that. For the truck itself, so the blocks will be coming off. As you can see, there's the differential cover. Blocks will be coming off. The lifted struts will be coming off. The alignment that's on top of it will be coming off. Let's see. What else? The Cognito arms will not be coming off. Let's go rear. So as you can see, the tires are still have plenty of tread, but they are a little tore up from that burnout I did. Yeah, so factory blocks will be coming off. It does have an add-a leaf. Front tires still got a little bit of tread. Cognito arms are staying. Oh, and also the wheel spacers from Shifty will be staying. They have 1.5-inch wheel spacers. But yeah, there's all the parts ready to go on. Got it all laid out. If anybody is interested in everything I'm taking off, let me know, because I will let this tires, spare, all this go, or all the stock suspension, or the treble suspension, I should say. I will let that go very, very cheap. And when I say cheap, I just want it out my door, because I've just really never been into lifted stuff. Yeah, also, if anybody is interested, factory differential cover, and as soon as I get this out, the stock cluster itself is super, super cheap. If you have like I think it's 20 and 19 custom, you can swap that. You do have to have the VIN matched. Super easy to put on. But yeah, let me know. I'll do a little walk around, show some updates. Quad exhaust. Here's the cover. Got the heat shield off because I don't have a spare on right now. Truck's kind of dirty right now. Cross back pillars. That's it. Said if you're interested in stock parts, if you are in the Florida area, mid-Florida, let me know. All this stuff, I will make a killer deal on all of it if you're interested. Let me know what you think. Thanks.